Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Wardah Lathifah. In here, I will explain about one of the features of the Smodin application. This application namely is text to speech or speech to text. So this is an application that can convert the text to sound and vice versa voice to text. And this application is supported by technology and high level of accuracy. And this application can help us to know the correct pronunciation of a language. It's the ideal solution for long notes, essay reports, and other lengthy documents. This application can be very useful for people with disabilities in reading and concentration. Without further ado, let's try to use this application. I have prepared the text that I will convert into sound. Here I take a snippet of the speech text to be read by Smodin with the right pronunciations, of course. And you can hear the results are so clear from this application. Yeah, this is the speech from one website I choose about the environment. So this is so in this application we can choose who are the voicer. So you can choose as an US or UK or Australian or anything you want in this voice. Also you can choose male or female, and in here I will choose the voice from United Kingdom. So Sonia Online, it's mean it's of these are female for the voice. So let's hear the text from text to speech.
We all know that plastic waste take a long time to decompose. It can take up to 1,000 years to decompose plastic in the landfills. Long, isn't it? Most of the plastic waste also ended up in the ocean that caused an interference to the ocean's ecosystem. It is sad to know how small the number of people nowadays who have started to consider recycling plastic waste into something useful instead of throwing them into the bin.
And guys, speed is can we manage. If normal, we choose one speed. If you wanna slowly, you can choose the 0.75, or you want, if you wanna be speed, you can choose the true. Let's try.
We all know that plastic waste take a long time to decompose. It can take up to 1,000 years to decompose plastic in the landfills. Long, isn't it? Most of the plastic waste also ended up in the ocean that caused an interference to the ocean's ecosystem.
Yeah, I guess you can hear it. If I'm a speed the text, it's so speech is very speed. So everyone, this application can make us more productive because it helps our time and energy efficiency. And speech to text and text to speech have tremendous potential for recording ideas and saving time typing, writing, or reading at work or school, so we can relax, think more creatively, and get more done. And this app breaks the language barrier designed to reach billions of non-English people. It can easily transcribe all our text and speeches on demand using multiple languages. So what are you waiting for? Let's use these features. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.